Hello everyone. Today I would like to tell you a little about my husband and the medication Ozempic. My husband wasn't particularly athletic and was very overweight. About 3 years ago, the doctor diagnosed him with diabetes. At first, it was treated with normal diabetes medication, which stabilized it, but there wasn't really any improvement. Since my husband was very overweight, his doctor decided that they would like to try the new Ozempic to improve his values. In October 2022, my husband started taking Ozempic, 1 injection once a week. First with 0.25 milligrams, and then after 1 month with 0.5 milligram. He always receives a pack of 3 syringes. Each syringe is sufficient for 4 weeks. Every Sunday, he gives himself an injection. He has been taking the medication for 1.5 years now, and he and I are very satisfied with the results. First of all, the diabetes has improved significantly. The values are now back to normal. All other values have also improved, or as his doctor said at the last checkup, it's very good now. It couldn't be better. This also has to do with his weight loss. He has lost around 20 kilos of weight in the last 1.5 years and has become significantly more agile. In the last few months, we have also heard many stories about all possible side effects that the medication is said to have. From my husband's point of view, the symptoms he experienced were not that serious. He occasionally had a bit of diarrhea, especially when he ate something with too much fat. He once reported that his breath smelled like fish, but that was only once and hasn't come back since. On the positive side are better health metrics and better fitness. My husband also sleeps much better now, unlike before. He no longer snores. You can see, especially from his clothes, that he is in much better shape now. Instead of wearing 4XL like he used to, he is now wearing 2XL again, and it will definitely be even less. So far, we are very happy with the effects, result and side effects of Ozempic, and have no problems with him continuing to take it for longer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time again.